20 must-have camping essentials. Hey campers, are you ready for your next adventure? Don't let forgotten gear ruin your trip. Here are the top 20 must-have camping essentials to make your trip a success. And trust us, number 15 will save you from a soaking wet disaster. And please subscribe to this channel. 1. Tent. Jake forgot his tent once. It rained all night, and he had to sleep in his car. Now, a good tent is always first on his list. 2. Sleeping bag. Emma brought a thin blanket on her first trip. She froze all night. A warm sleeping bag changed everything. 3. Camping stove. Liam tried to cook over a fire and burned his food. Next time, he brought a small camping stove and finally had hot pancakes. 4. First aid kit. Mia tripped on a trail and scraped her knee. Luckily, she had a first aid kit in her backpack. 5. Flashlight or headlamp. Noah went to the bathroom at night without a flashlight and got lost for 20 minutes. 6. Water bottle or hydration pack. Ava forgot her water bottle on a hike. She felt tired quickly. Now, she never leaves without her hydration pack. 7. Camp chair. Ben sat on a rock and hurt his back. Now he carries a foldable chair and relaxes in style. 8. Camping table. Lucy tried to cook on the ground, messy and uncomfortable. A small table made camping feel easier. 9. Fire starter kit. Max used wet matches and couldn't start a fire. Now he packs a lighter, fire sticks, and dry wood. 10. Cooler or icebox. Rachel's food spoiled without a cooler. Since then, cold drinks and fresh snacks are always ready. 11. Cooking utensils. Jack tried to flip eggs with a stick. It didn't work. A simple spatula and pot made cooking fun again. 12. Multi-tool or pocket knife. Sarah used her multi-tool to open cans, fix a tent, and cut rope. It saved the day more than once. 13. Camping lantern. Alex hung a lantern inside his tent. It felt like a cozy little room. 14. Extra batteries or power bank. Grace's phone died on day 2. Now she always brings a charged power bank, just in case. 15. Rain gear, jacket and cover. Lucas laughed at the forecast and got soaked. A raincoat and tent cover saved his next trip. 16. Insect repellent. Olivia got 20 mosquito bites in one night. Now she never camps without bug spray. 17. Map or GPS device. Ethan lost cell service and had no map. Now he carries a paper map and compass just in case. 18. Trash bags. Hannah forgot trash bags and had to carry garbage in her backpack. Yuck. 19. Toiletries kit. Ryan forgot his toothbrush and had to use a twig. A small kit with basics made him feel fresh. 20. Snacks and non-perishable food. Chloe only brought canned beans. Now she packs granola bars, trail mix, and fun treats. Planning your next trip. Pack smart, camp happy. Like and subscribe for more camping tips and stories.